What to do if your phone gets wet?
Oh no, we've all been there. Jumped in a pool without remembering to take your phone out of your pocket? Oops, doing dishes or washing and dropped your phone in a bowl of soapy water? Yikes! Caught out in the rain without an umbrella? Oh man! Water is your phone's worst enemy, capable of wiping out all your pictures and stored data. Have you faced this problem before? And did all you can but your phone wouldn't just work? Well, I recently dropped my phone in a bowl of soapy water accidentally, but what I did will shock you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the easiest and most effective way to fix your phone if it accidentally gets wet. Seriously, without doing anything. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel because we give you daily tips and ideas that will help every aspect of your life to improve. So, how do you fix your phone when it gets wet? Hey, relax. Number 1. Take your phone out of the liquid immediately. Remember, the longer it remains in the water or liquid, the more damage the liquid will cause the phone to destroy. Number 2. Wipe your phone with tissue or a towel. Use any clean tissue or dry cloth that is around you to wipe the face of the water and keep it dry. Number 3. Turn it off. Your phone will probably turn itself off as soon as it falls into the liquid, but if it doesn't, make sure you will turn it off immediately. If the power stays on, the phone runs the risk of short-circuiting, which will cause more damage to the mechanisms inside. But if your phone is off, don't try to turn it on. Number 4. Remove the battery and SIM card, but if you have an iPhone or any other Android that doesn't allow you to remove the battery, then take off the SIM card and SD card only. Keep it dry. No matter what you do, don't try to plug your phone inside whilst it is wet. This will automatically destroy the phone and may also cause you a shock. Number 5. Don't use an oven, microwave, or hair dryer, or even the sun. The heat coming from these systems can easily destroy the phone. So please don't use it. Number 6. Gently shake your phone dry. And make sure you don't drop your phone whilst doing this. This won't be enough to dry your phone completely. Shaking it will only get rid of the surface moisture. Before you turn your phone on, you need to do some work. And lastly, number 7. Put your phone in a bowl of rice. Yeah, this may sound like a myth, but hey, it's 100% truth. Uncooked rice is naturally absorbent, which works like magic. Make sure you put the phone inside a bowl of rice and leave it there for at least 48 hours. It is very important to give your phone at least 2 days to dry off in a bowl of rice before you turn it on. And I tell you, these steps will make your phone work again and come to normal. Hey, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't. Also, let us know what you did when your phone fell in water in the comment section. And remember to take good care of your smartphone because they are very expensive. Until then, keep being awesome. See you in our next video and God bless you for watching.